Yeah, if you have been wondering why a lot of modern steamers for clothes don't have the best reputation, the reason is actually because they are lacking of a vacuum function. And so here comes the game changer, and that's this STEAVOX CY10 steam iron, the future of ironing. And so I'm going to show you exactly how it works, but of course let's start first with the unboxing. So here's a small instructions manual already, comes also with this really nice carry and transportation pouch, comes even with a stand. The device comes with a heat resistant safety cap, and so here we have it, and also with a detachable water tank. Make sure that you're using distilled or at least filtered water. Then we align it here, push it here inside, so we have proper lock, and then we have the on-off button here. Just hold it for a little bit. It needs just 25 seconds to warm up, and then we can use it already. You can see we can turn it on, turn it off quickly. And so we can use it just with the steam, or also activate the suction function, which then really removes the wrinkles. Yes, I would say it's definitely the game changer I've been waiting for. That's exactly what I wanted, so much better than anything else I've seen before. Yeah, that's a total new level without having to use an ironing board. The question is it perfect? I mean, regarding the ironing function, when holding something up in the air without using an ironing board, that's definitely a game changer. There's just one thing which you have to know after adding the water tank and then turning it on with a long press. Just make sure that you hold it like that over a table and have a towel ready, because usually it's producing a lot of water. Probably it's not happening anymore because it's already warm, but when it's really cold, then quite some water is coming out. Yeah, now you can see that. It's a little bit hard to see, but yeah, there's a lot of water here pumped out, you can see, and this takes maybe half a minute or so. I just have it here. I think now it's finished. And so when I'm using the flashlight, you can see now the water which it has been spraying here on the desk. I mean, it's not terrible. You just need to know that. Don't hold your beautiful clothes which you need to wear in front of this steamer iron. Otherwise, it would be totally wet. Other than that, it seems to work really good. I mean, it's not a super lightweight device. It definitely has some weight. It's not something which I see that people would pack it into the suitcase and then take with them on travel or so. Definitely not. It's not much more lightweight than a normal iron, but you can definitely do something which you can't do with a normal iron. Still very interesting device. And so if you have a lot of clothes which you need to iron, like while hanging and not using on an ironing board or so, that could be something. By the way, of course, you can also use it here down on an ironing board or so. Absolutely no problem. I think this is also intended as a second option. Yeah, I would say that's it for now. If you're interested, you can find the link to the Amazon listing down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this steam vacuum iron, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.